This is the elevator at Baldwin Hall at Mercyhurst University in Erie, Pennsylvania. This is a residence hall, but we're on the bottom floor, which this is like the athletics training area. So you can access this part. The elevator's doing its keyed off. Normally it's not down here, but for some reason right now it's down here. Someone must have brought it down here. Doors are closed all the way, the gate's open. It's under level. I wonder if it's out of service. It's an old Seelar Dover. Has a Dover motor with illuminating black button GAO. Not sure what the key switch is for. I don't know. This floor might be locked. No, it's open. Or the relay. I was saying this floor is locked, and I'm not going to ride this, but it's open, so we'll take it for a quick ride. This is from 1969. Not sure if it works. Close it up. Alright, go to 3. Bouncy. Two words. Three, single speed, levels in the down direction only. 2 is the only thing that works on that indicator. Now this is actually the girls' residence hall. So this is weird and creepy and risky. Alright, let's go back down to the basement. Luckily I don't think anyone really uses this elevator. The basic old white cab. Sweet. I don't think anyone really uses this elevator, to be honest. I've never seen anyone use it. This is the oldest original elevator on campus. Oh, vibrating. Wow. You're back in the basement. You're just simply under levels. Alright. That better open. That's my only way I feel comfortable now. Right there closes. Actually, we're going to be more courteous than whoever uses this now, so we're going to press the key. So someone upstairs can call it. And that's going to be it.